In today's video, we'll cover the topic how you can update the logo of your website. Okay, so in my case, my site is senselux.com and this is the logo, and I want to change with any other one. So it's not the real one, I have the dummy one. So for that, you will have to come under your admin login area of your WordPress, then under appearances. You see here the themes, you will have to click on themes. Now you can see the current active one. That is, in my case, it's Astra, and you will have to click here on the customize button. So click on this. So after clicking on this, this page will take some time depending on the content you have on the website. And on the left panel, you will see these are the controls through which you can add or update some additional stuffs here on your website. So header is also part of control. So header builder you can see. So you can click on that, and here you can also see the site logo. Okay, for updating the site logo you will have to come here. So again go back. So header builder, you'll have to click on this, then the site logo you can see, and here you can see the logo and retina logo. So both you will have to change. Okay, so I'm removing the both one. So here I'm going to select. In case the file is already uploaded here, you can simply pick from here like this, but in my case I have to upload a new one. So I will click on this upload file, and you can either drag and drop or you can select here. Okay, so this is the file, it's just the dummy one I am going to use. So just click on that. Yeah, so this is selected and I will click on select. So it will be asking here to crop. Either you can crop or you can move ahead with skip cropping. Okay, so I want skip cropping, and parallelly you can see here the change one also on top. Same way we will have to upload here the retina logo, because in some cases it will be coming different. Okay, so I just pick one because the same thing I will have to upload. So it is already uploaded, just one. So just uh, pick this one and click on choose image and click on publish. Okay, so now you are done with the changing the logo. And again, go back to this incognito mode of your site and refresh the page. Yes, you can see the change logo here. So this is how you can change the logo of your this site. But changing the logo will not always come under this header builder. It may vary depending on the install theme. So in case of Astra, it is coming under header builder. So somewhere you will find the header only, somewhere you will find the logo in separate here. So you don't have to stop on that. You'll have to basically find that thing if here the logo is that. Okay. So that's it from this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.